Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to solve this challenging integral. Alright, so we need to integrate s squared minus 1 over s to the fourth minus 5s cubed minus 4s squared minus 5s plus 1. Alright, so to simplify this one, we need to divide the top and bottom by s squared. So this guy turns out to be 1 minus 1 over s squared over s squared minus 5s minus 4 minus 5 over s plus 1 over s squared ds. Alright, now on the bottom right here, we need to combine like terms. So I just rewrite the top 1 over right here. I just write 1 minus 1 over s squared ds. Now I'm going to combine this guy and this guy. So it could be s squared plus 1 over s squared. Now this guy and this guy, I combine this and I factor negative 5 out. Right, so it could be 5 times s plus 1 over s. Alright, negative 4, I just rewrite it. Observe that if I let u equals s plus 1 over s, alright, then du should be 1 minus 1 over s squared ds, right? Alright, so the top right here, I just rewrite as d of s plus 1 over s, right? Now the bottom right here, negative 4 right here can be written as 2 minus 6, right? So 2 I just bring over here. So I have s squared plus 2 plus 1 over s squared. This guy is the same thing as s plus 1 over s all together square, and this is complete square, right? So this one can be written as s plus 1 over s all together square minus 5s plus 1 over s, right? Minus 6. Alright, so this one can be written as du over u squared minus 5u minus 6. And then we can do the fraction decomposition, right, to split the bottom. Right, so the bottom can be written as the integral of du over u minus 6 times u plus 1, right? And this one can be written as the integral of u plus 1 minus u minus 6 over u plus 1 times u minus 6 du. Now on the top right here, if we simplify this one, right, we distribute negative 1 over here. It turns out to be u plus 1 minus u plus 6, right? So it's going to be 7, right? So basically we just put 7 on the top, right? And then we need to divide by 7, right? So that everything remains unchanged, right? Now we need to split this integral. So it's going to be 1 over 7. The integral of u plus 1 over u plus 1 times u minus 6 is going to be du over u minus 6, right? Now this one, u minus 6 divided by u minus 6, so it could be negative the integral of du over u plus 1. Right, so this one can be written as 1 over 7. Now, the integral of this one is actually natural log of absolute value of u minus 6, right? Minus natural log of absolute value of u plus 1 plus c. Alright, so this one can be written as 1 over 7 natural log of absolute value of u minus 6 over u plus 1, right? Plus c. Now, we know that u equals s plus 1 over s, right? So we just substitute s plus 1 over s for u. So it's going to be 1 over 7 natural log of absolute value of s plus 1 over s minus 6 over s plus 1 over s plus 1 plus c. And this is the final answer. And it's your turn to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.